Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and our host is Sunday Dawn, and I'd like to thank her for hosting this. And there will be, in my comments, I will have all the other Tiny Tidy Tuesday ladies that you can watch after you watch mine first, please. And if you can, would you subscribe? That would be lovely. It's my birthday, April 13th, and I would really love to get to 300 subscribers. Anyhow, so today on my Tiny Tidy Tuesday, finally getting to say it, which is a good thing. I don't know if you remember these shelves. I did a tiny tidy on them, and I took everything out and organized it downstairs. Well, I've got it all painted white. And today I'm going to put stuff in the bottom. So there's a little story. When I first started painting this, I just went downstairs, and we have lots of paint that came with the house, so I just looked and thought, oh, there's got to be white paint here somewhere. So I looked in the cupboard and I found some paint that said white, brought it upstairs and opened it, and I thought, that looks kind of mauve, but it says white, so I painted the first coat all over, and then my husband came in and said, I think that's mauve, not white. And sure enough it was. So that's okay. I found some white paint. I went back downstairs and I found some white paint. So I brought that paint up and I gave it a second coat. And it's white, and I think I gave it some parts of it a third coat, because it's a dark cupboard, so it took a long time to cover it. And of course I didn't prime it or anything. I just slapped some paint on it, well, it's just a cupboard for me. I don't know if other people do that, but I do that a lot because I think it's just for me. Anyhow, that's my story on this cupboard, and I'm sticking to it. So I'm hoping I can get stuff that I have around on the floor in baskets in my craft room in this cupboard. And I took all my wreaths off the wall up here. I didn't want that clutter either. So I've tucked them in the bottom here, and they fit. So that made me very happy that they fit there. Let's turn you around here so you can see. And this box has pottery pieces in it that I will probably sell eventually. So that box might disappear someday. I have sold a few pieces at the seniors place where we go. So that's really nice. So I'm gonna empty this box here. This doesn't go in here, but I have some decor stuff that I took off my shelves in the living room, and I need some place to store them. Well, that's not going to go in there, so it'll have to go up there. This bunny bumpkin stuff is actually my niece's stuff, and so I'll stick it in there and keep it for her. And there's a picture frame. And this is a lighter that Dave's mom and dad gave us. It comes from Wales. And it's willow. What's it called? Let me see. Wedgwood. It's Wedgwood. And it says made in England. It's a pretty neat lighter. But I'm just going to tuck it away for now. And this is a little dish that I've had for years. My son gave it to me years and years ago. And I have this little basket, and I'm just going to take the green out of it, put that in the box with the green stuff. So that can go in here too. Just some decor stuff that I just want to put away. My little elephant, I'm going to put it away for now too. That was a gift from a friend. And my little winter fairy, I'll tuck her away till Christmas. So I'm hoping I can get this stuff out of this box and put it in here. And my little dish, we got this as a wedding gift many years ago. And I'm going to just tuck it away for a while too. And my maraca is probably my brother's. My brother who passed away, so I hang on to that. And I'm going to stick it in here. And I bought these cute little frames because I wanted to put pictures of my kids as babies in them. But I haven't done it yet, so I might do that. And this is the other frame for, because I have 2 kids, so 2 baby pictures. And this little plate my girlfriend brought me back from Germany. And I just love her, Little Red Riding Hood. But I'm going to tuck her away for a while too. So, oh, and then there's the bell that was my mom's. It's a crystal bell. Well, it's actually from Avon. So, there's the Avon bell. Yeah. And I'll tuck it in here too, just for safekeeping. I want to put them out again. And a little picture that a friend painted. Carol Patton is her name. I thought she did a beautiful job. And some of the stuff might go on these shelves. I haven't quite decided, but for now I'm just tucking things in my cupboard. So that's good. I got this box done. So, I think that's all I'm going to put in here. I lost the screw for this handle, of course. So, I'll have to find it. But I've got this one, so I can still open my cupboard. I'm going to put my green stuff away where it belongs. And yes, my craft room's a bit of a mess, but I'm setting up for pottery. Hopefully I'll get a pottery project done today. And I'm going to take this greenery stuff and put it in the box with the greenery stuff, so I know where it is. And this, most of this stuff is for pottery, so I've got it pulled out. And I want to do something with those shells. I have a couple ideas. So I'm going to set you on the tripod and see if I can get some of those things put where I'd like them. Okay, I just stuck this basket up here. It has nothing in it. So I just put it up there to get it out of the way. And these flowers, I don't want up here. It's too hard. Not sure where I'm going to put those. Anyhow, I thought what I would do is I would bring this over here. Hopefully it'll fit. Well, if you remember, I put ribbon, I put ribbon in this box. And I thought it would look really nice just sitting in here. I think that looks nice. And I'm hoping this basket of ribbon will sit on the shelf too. Oh, it does, good. There. So, now I can have my ribbon there. And it'll look good. What do I have over here? This blue basket has pottery in it that I sometimes use and is broken or whatever. And I think I'm just going to stick it up here because I don't use it very often. So I won't be bringing it up and down. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. That basket doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that looks alright. Oh, here's my steps. Get my steps out, that'll help. And Okay. Let's see. There, like that, like that. We can put this up here too. Just to get it out of the way. There we go. This basket can go here. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in it. I don't want to crowd my cupboard up too much, but I want to make it practical. So I'm just going to look around and see what else I can stick in here so that I don't have stuff all over. So, okay, I put a couple of these little pots that I've thrifted and a basket that my daughter gave me up there. Might move those around again. See that? Let's lift it up a bit. There we go. Okay, let's move the glue basket over. There. That looks better. Yeah, those two baskets are good up there. And I have this basket and it's, I have a Buddha that I thrifted at a garage sale. I'm going to use somewhere. And a red cardinal. I'm going to set him in there with the other bird. That way I know where they are. Can't really see too much else. I have this stuff here. Oops. I have this stuff here. I'm going to try and tuck in over here. These are crafts that I bought at a thrift store. And they're for kids. And there'll be some kids in my life who will do them. I'm going to tuck them in the cupboard. There we go. And this is a cute little nativity that I bought at a thrift store. And I might set it up at Christmas time. We'll see. We'll tuck it in the cupboard too. This is my bird calendar and stuff, and other calendars that I take pictures from. And I got some stuff there. And this is a scrapbook that I made years ago. And I just put pictures out of magazines in it. And I did it when I first started pottery with this stuff too. Right over there I have some canvases and some foam board and stuff. So I just tucked them in the corner there. So I think that's it for our tiny tidy for today. I'll reorganize some more stuff around and maybe I'll find more stuff to put in this cupboard, but I'm so pleased to have this cupboard. And I got a good basket here that I can put stuff in, so that'll help. And I want to thank Sunday Dawn again for hosting this. I do enjoy doing Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. I get all kinds of little things done. I did a few tiny tidy things over the weekend that I didn't film, but I got some drawers organized in my bedroom, and I went through some of my clothes in my closet. So I just kept thinking tiny, 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 tiny. So I think it works great. So thank you again for watching this video, and please, please, please subscribe. It would be nice if I could get to 300 by the 13th. Not very many days. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.